And we back. Hopefully y'all got a lot of time because we're doing a rebuild that is going to take a minimum. Well, I guess it's going to take us 10 years. Yes. As much as I don't want to sit here and put this much time into a video, I will because y'all asked for it and I'm a man of the people. So the challenge comes from Brent. He says we're doing a Dynasty challenge. Basically, we have to make the playoffs 10 years in a row and end up winning at least 6 championships. They don't have to be in the row. And he said it will make for a long video, which we really love. And I appreciate that, Brent. Thank you for the comment. Now, since y'all really love these long videos, let's try to break some records, bro. I don't know. What the heck? I don't know what the record is here on KOT4Q for likes, but let's just shoot for it. Why not? You know, shoot or shoot. And today's video should be interesting because usually when we do these longer rebuilds, we see basically every flaw in 2K's My League comes out. So because of that, I'm playing on adjusted sliders today. Usually the normal KOT4Q rebuild, I'm playing that everything is the way 2K got it, but I decided to do things differently because we've always seen videos after like year 5, year 6, everybody wants a max contract, and that leaves players like De'Aaron Fox, Lonzo Ball just sitting into free agency because nobody has $40 million to give them and also give 6 other players in their roster. So I downloaded what some people consider the most realistic sliders imaginable because if we're going to be playing the long game, which is 10 straight years, I need it to be good. But the first thing we got to do is randomly select our team, and it will be a fantasy draft rebuild as always. So I'm going to stop right now. Running with the Suns in today's video. Let's get the Suns 6 championships. What number pick will we have? Because this could set us up for the entire video. We're going to end up with a lower pick. It's going to put us at 19. So we have options of Pascal, Russell Westbrook, Klay Thompson, Bradley Beal. Ben Simmons would be a great pickup. He's already in a contract for 6 years, and we know he's a beast. But I'm not the one doing the rebuilding, or I'm not the one doing the drafting, so I'll see what my assistant GM gives us. And we do get Ben, we get Shea, we get Wendell, we get Jeff Teague. We get the most valuable asset in all of 2K. We get PJ. Man, we have a nice, very young team. But is team making the playoffs right now? Probably not. So we will have to make some trades. And since we're playing the long game, don't expect us to hit any huge splashes because I'm not going to trade all my first round picks. You know what I'm saying? But let me show y'all the sliders we are working with today. So this is what I mainly mean. And most of it has to do with the contract situation. Again, I just downloaded this one so you can pause and use it yourself if you want to. But because of this, we won't see. And when we get to free agency, I'll show y'all. We won't see a bunch of players wanting crazy money if they don't deserve it. Okay? Because a lot of it has to do with players wanting a bunch of money based on their potential. So the restricted free agents we wanted a max contracts just because their potential is high, when in reality every restricted free agent doesn't end up getting big money. But okay, how do we do this rebuild? We need to make the playoffs this year. Again, we only need to make the playoffs, and the winning the championships could come a little bit later. We have a nice young roster right now, so I'm not really worried about winning a championship for year number 1. It would be cool. It would be cool to start off like that, but I'm not really thinking about that because a guy like these two guys, I'm not gonna say they're safe, but I know for sure Ben Simmons continues to get better. I know for sure Shea continues to get better. So it would help our rebuild tremendously if we have these two players for at least close to the entirety of this video. Wendell is a player even though he's only 20 years old, I feel is expendable. He can help us get another star player for the now because Ben Simmons is going to be a star. I think Shea can be a nice 3 option, and we can use Wendell. We can use some of these other young players to get a secondary star. Next year free agency, we're going to actually have a lot of money too. Wow. If we can just put together a team that makes the playoffs this year, we can try to snag Anthony Davis. You know what I'm saying? So let's trade. Let's try to make some trades here. If I'm doing mathematically, if I'm doing things correctly. Wait, let me go back to that screen. If I'm doing things correctly, Anthony Davis is going to want a max, which is like, what, $35 million a year. We can do that. So if I trade for a player that's making like $15 to $20 million, we could still have money for our boy AD. And if we don't get AD, we can maybe get Drummond, who we can flip later. So let's try to make a deal. Wendell Carter, Jeff Teague, and I want to keep my pick as of right. You know what? We have to make 10 straight playoff series. So this pick means nothing to me because it's going to be a lottery pick. I mean, if that pick won't be a lottery pick because we're going to make the playoffs. That's what I meant. So we're going to trade for John Isaac and Blake Griffin and hope that John Isaac isn't absolutely terrible. Blake Griffin, yes, Blake Griffin's contract is huge, but we just need him to be decent now, and then we'll trade him in the offseason. So right now we're looking at Ben, Shea, John Isaac, Blake Griffin, and Wendell Carter off the bench. Ooh, let's see if a team wants Alec Burks. No team wants Alec Burks. That is a first. That is legitimately a first. But Josh Jackson and Alec Burks. I don't know what Josh Jackson's trade value is. He's making $7 million a year. I still want to try to splash free agency, so I don't want to go too ham on the trades right now, unless I'm trading for players that I believe I can flip in the offseason. So let me look at some of these options. I did see the Eric Bledsoe trade. I think that's interesting. Montrezl Harrell trade is cool too, but I don't want to give up an extra first round pick in that one. So we're going to trade for Eric Bledsoe, man. Trade for Eric Bledsoe. And again, we could trade him in the offseason if we need to, but we just need it. Oh, they want to, come on, bro. Don't play with me, bro. You want to, you're wild. You're wild, 2K. Ben Simmons is about to be our star. He's about to average 25 points per game. You want to start Eric Bledsoe over him? You are really tripping. The bench is looking lackluster, man. The bench is looking lackluster. Melo, I love you, brother. We're not winning a championship this year anyway, so I don't feel bad about trading you away. If we were guaranteeing us, if I felt confident that we were going to win a championship, I'd try to keep you around. But honestly, never mind. There's not even no trades out there that I even want for you. So let me try to make you a small forward. Oh, he goes up to an 80 as a small forward. That's interesting. That's interesting. And I'm going to have to make it so Eric Bledsoe doesn't snag the starting spot, which is so stupid. We have an all-star point guard. We literally have an all-star point guard. You want to start Eric Bledsoe over him? Forced non-starter for one season. Cool. So now we're looking at Ben, Shea, John Isaac, Blake, and Wendell. What if Blake goes back to last year's Blake? Last year's Blake was an all-NBA player. All-NBA player. Grayson Allen is at the bottom of our rotation. That is not, I don't love that. I don't love that. I mean, the team started off really good, though. Started off really good, so I'm thinking we just chill. We just chill on this roster, and if it starts to go downhill, then we'll make trades. Like, I may flip Blake Griffin eventually. Again, Eric Bledsoe coming off our bench. He's looking pretty good back in Phoenix. Ben Simmons, he's averaging 24, 7, and 4 assists, that's really bad for Ben Simmons. But you can see the brothers are playing well, so I may just keep this roster. And if things start to go bad, then we'll make the necessary changes. But again, this first season, I'm not worried about winning a championship. It's just about making the playoffs. I think once we get these players older and we hit free agency, where I think we can snag somebody, that's when I'll start thinking about championships. Giannis plays for the Bulls and he won MVP. Zion, DeMarcus, Kawhi, Luka. Cool numbers across the board. I didn't even get to see All-NBA, but we end up being the fifth seed, which is cool. So year number 1 is done. We make the playoffs. Ben Simmons averages 24, 6, and 6, so his numbers did get better. Did he make an All-NBA team? He was an All-Star, All-Defensive second team, but that's it. Shea, good numbers. Eric Bledsoe off our bench put up 15 points per game. Blake Griffin put up 15 points per game. You know what? That's cool for now. He's going to get traded this offseason, obviously, but he had a good season for us. He helped us get to the playoffs again. And Melo averaged 14. So shout out to them. We're going against the Lakers in the first round. I'm guessing that's not going to end well for us. And it does not. But again, why would I forgot we're in fantasy drafts. I don't even know who's on this team. I'm thinking we're going against LeBron and Anthony Davis, but no, it's a fantasy draft. It's Russell Westbrook, Jaylen Brown, Al Horford, DeAndre Jordan, Matisse Thybulle. They had a good roster. The one seed got eliminated by the 8 over here, so Zach LaVine, Zion, and them were the 1 seed, so a young team out there. Out here, the 1 seed got eliminated. Giannis won MVP and got eliminated in the first round. Not my MVP. All right, so Luka and them win the championship. It's always Luka. It is always Luka. They went all the way to 7, and in Game 7 won by 20 plus. Okay, so year number 1 is done, and it was a success. 1 for 1. Wow, the first overall pick in this draft was an 85 overall. What? Bro, I would have traded for the first overall pick if I knew he was going to be this nice. Plays for the Spurs. Say less. Spurs, what's up? What's up, Spurs? Can I snag? I will give you Blake Griffin. They want Shea. Can't give you Shea. I will give you Eric Bledsoe. Ooh, money situation is gonna be rough. Ooh. Okay. All right. Okay. So they wanted Shea. Like I said, I can't give you Shea, but instead I'll give you Wendell Carter and a first round pick for this year, and I will give you Grayson Allen and the first. Welcome to the team, Rob Burton This man was an 85 overall rookie. Let's see what he's good at, okay? Amazing athleticism, drive and dunk of a 96. Can shoot the ball mid-range of 96, three-pointer 88. Make his free throws, post hooks, post fades, post moves. Draw the foul like an elite player. Playmaking is not amazing. He's a power forward, so his speed with ball isn't amazing. Great hands, can catch his lobs. Not a great passer, but we don't need that from our power forward. Not a great interior defender. His perimeter defender is actually pretty decent for a power forward. Can get some steals, can get some blocks. Rebounding is about average. Lateral quickness is above average for a power forward. Smart player, can get some passing lane steals. Speedy Gonzalez at the power forward position. Not as strong as the normal power forward, but that's okay. Good vert. What's his bad situation? Oh, boy. Good defensive badges, some playmaking, some shooting badges, and some finishing. Yep. We're building the dynasty for real. Anyway, we gave up all those assets, but honestly, wasn't that crazy? And if we could still somehow snag Anthony Davis, here, give you a player option and a no trade clause. If we can snag Anthony Davis, let's go, team. Championship. Write it down now. It's over with for the league. We have Big Ben. We have Shea. We have John Ice. You know what? You know what we probably could do? We could change this guy to a small forward. Or we could keep him at power forward and just make Anthony Davis a center. What's Anthony Davis over? Oh, his overall drops quite a bit. Okay, we'll figure that out in a little bit. But wow. And we still have Eric Bledsoe. I thought I was going to have to trade Eric Bledsoe to get Anthony Davis onto the team. But not the case. Wow. Okay, let's fill out this roster with another backup shooting guard. I cannot believe that everything is going exactly as planned. So here we go. Shea didn't get that much better. I'm going to probably send him to potential camp because I need that boy to get up to a 90 throughout this video. What type of season did John Isaac have? 5 points per game. I mean, not great, but he's a defensive player anyway. Eric Bledsoe started to get worse, so we're probably going to have to deal with that this season. And we signed Yamahimi on a minimum, and that boy got a lot worse. All right, so let's go to training camp. Hopefully we have more than one. I don't even know what our coaching situation is like. I didn't even look at our coaching situation to see what our trainer was. We got 2 of them. Okay, perfect. So I will send Shea, and I will send our boy, what's his name? Rob Burton. A+ potential. That man is about to be nice. All right, they want to run the lineup exactly like I thought. So yes, Anthony Davis overall will go down. I'm going to officially make him a center. I don't mind that at all because Anthony Davis is still going to be Anthony Davis. But I just want it to be written in stone that he is our center. So Ben Simmons, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, John Isaac, Rob Burton, AD, Eric Bledsoe, PJ, Bruno Fernando, Jordan McRae. And we may just run a 9-man rotation right now. Oh, I should have probably picked up a different coach too. What system fits? All of them fit okay. Let's try to figure out this John Isaac situation because he is an unrestricted free agent somehow. Because in real life, I don't think that's the case. So let me try to throw him and Eric Bledsoe together. Jaylen Brown. Trade for Jaylen Brown. He's already under contract for 4 more years. Eric Bledsoe had a very good season for us off our bench. So we are losing some bench depth here, but I'm okay with that because we get Jaylen Brown to come into the team. Come on, dog. Come on, JB. Welcome to the squad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we're looking like this. Beautiful. Now this bench needs a lot of help. We don't need Markieff Morris to have rotational minutes. But again, you don't want to throw all your eggs in the basket by giving up all your picks, at least not right now. So if I could somehow give up Markieff Morris and Billy Preston's Isaac Bonga's, he gonna have some trade value to help us get a backup one. Shake Melton and Jordan, welcome to the team. Not Michael Jordan, but another Jordan. And he's going to come in and play some backup point guard for us. Jordan McRae, I'm sorry, but I'm going to get those minutes here. And this is what our roster is looking like for year number 2. Do we need to make any changes? Okay, balance coach does work, but I think Monty, I'm sorry, you gots to go. You gots to go. I got another coach in there. Just as good or even better than what you are. Back to a 9-man rotation. And then get this point guard some minutes. And I think we're ready for year number 2, which I believe we're going to be NBA champions. I'm just curious. Okay, this first game of the season, against the Clips, we lose. That's fine. Oh, yeah. This is what we were looking for. Beautiful. All right. Ben Simmons. Hold on. Kenny, you're in the way right now. Ben Simmons. Actually, I think I'm going to go on this side for the rest of the video because we are a Western Conference team. So, Ben Simmons, 28, 8, and 8. We'll round up to 29, 8, and 8. But not Rookie of the Year for our OP boy. All right, no big deal. No big deal. You know what I'm saying? He's playing alongside a lot of great players. So, of course, he's not getting as many shots as he probably would on another team. Ben Simmons, beautiful. Beautiful stuff there. So, we are the Phoenix Suns. Anthony Davis, again, no love in the All-NBA. He got an all-defensive first team. He put up 21 and 10 his first season here with us, which is good. All things considered, obviously. But here's our boy Rob. He averaged 14 and 7. And 3 assists. So he had a great season, too. He had a great season. I guess this guy statistically just was better, which is cool. He's an 83. So this is another just really good guy in this draft class. Cool. Our guy's going to end up being better long term, though. I promise you that. I promise you that. But here are the statistics. Shea puts up 17 points per game, which is good for him, obviously. JB regresses a little bit, but he shot better from the field. It's just so many mouths to feed. You know the situation. You know how it always goes. So first round, we're going against Minnesota, who has Steph Curry. All right, Steph Curry and Cody Zeller. We should beat them, though. We beat them in 5. All right, so we're going against the Warriors, who have LeBron and a very young team around him other than CJ. So let's see how this goes. Game 1. Okay, we sweep them. We get to the conference finals to go against OKC, who has Zion. Another young team, though. Another young team. 2-2. 3-2 them. 3-2. What? Y'all not about to blow this out, y'all? No. You know we simcast whenever we're afraid, and right now I'm afraid. Let's go, Phoenix. Let's get this win. Looks like we got it. All right, so we forced a game 7. Magic are back in the championship with Luka, so if we get out of here, it's not like it's going to be easy, but we are down by double digits. My boys are fighting, though. They're fighting. They're fighting this fourth quarter to take over. Come on, man. We did it. We did it. 41 points in that fourth quarter from the squad. Wow. Anthony Davis, Ben Simmons, my boy Burton. What first overall pick wins a championship in their first season? Has it ever happened? I don't know. Maybe y'all know more than I do. But Luka. All right, let's see how Luka and them play. They win game 1. And it's Jamal Murray and Luka. Both have pretty good games. Game 2, we win. All right. This is a new method where you go simcast, and then you back at a simcast, and then you can go game by game. We're up 3-1, and that should be enough to win the championship. All right, so 2 years, 1 championship. Ben Simmons averages 31 and 7.5 assists in the finals. So there that is. And now it's time to go back to free agency. I don't know what this offseason is going to look like for us because I think we have everybody under contract. Shea. Oh, we need to sign Shea, PJ, and yeah, everybody else I don't really need. This is more about those 2 dudes. All right, here we go. Player progression. Anthony Davis gets a little bit worse. That's because we made him a power forward, so that's okay. Shea gets better. Rob gets a lot better, man. Rob gets a lot better. Ben Simmons stays, but I mean he's still getting better. His perimeter defense got higher, and there's also playmaking got higher, which is saying something. So Ben Simmons coming off an MVP season where he just won MVP and Finals MVP. And then the rest of the roster still looking decent. We go back to training camp. I'm going to try to go to perimeter camp for our boy Burton. Because something tells me eventually we're going to have to transition him to a small forward. So let me start working on his lateral quickness and stuff now. Honestly, we could do that now if we really needed to. Because that boy defensively is looking good. Shooting camp. Ben Simmons, 53-point rating now. All right, Ben Simmons goes back-to-back, baby. Whoa, we did amazing. Our assistant GM set us up perfectly with Ben Simmons, bro. 30 points per game, 9 assists, 7 rebounds. He's looking like LeBron without the three-point shot. Anthony Davis, Defensive Player of the Year. That's 2 awards. Come on, 3 awards, 71 wins from the guys. 3 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 awards are ours here in Phoenix. So that's just a beautiful thing. Anthony Davis, an all-NBA team as well. What a beautiful sign. All right, so we're back in the playoffs. Obviously, we're the 1 seed again. I didn't make any changes to the roster, so I'm hoping that's going to be good enough to have us repeat. Here are the numbers. Our boy Burton, he averages 16 points, 17 points per game. 50, 40, 90 club for him. And year number 2, 50, 40, 90. Sacramento Kings are first on our hit list. They got DeJounte and Bam Adebayo. Not going to be enough, though. 5 seed. They have Kelly Oubre. Not going to be enough, though. We're going to get out of here. OKC. This team gave us some trouble, man. This team gave us some trouble this season. Not so much. 3-1 us. And we get to the championship to go against the Wizards, who have Paul George, Giannis, and Malcolm Brogdon, and Clint Capella. Wow, that's a nice roster. Game 1 is a win for us, though. Ben Simmons, come on, man. Back-to-back MVP and Finals MVP for Ben Simmons coming up. 3-1 us. 3 years, 2 championships, 7 years to go. I feel like I've been recording for a long time, and I still have 7 years to go. That hurts my heart. But, okay, this offseason should be interesting because Anthony Davis. Well, no. We gave Anthony Davis a player option. And that scares me. Is he loyal? Extremely loyal. Very loyal. Beautiful. My gut is telling me to test for agency. I'm undecided at this point. We'll figure that out later. Ben Simmons is still on the contract for 3 more years. We need to bring back Rob. That's easy. He's on a rookie contract. Shea, we need to bring back Shea. I'm ready to sign an extension. Let's get the deal done. Easy. PJ Washington. There's no way I'm resigning with this team. Okay. Okay, you think we supposed to be upset about that? You ain't do nothing anyway. They're trying to give me renounce rights on Shea. Stop it. Because if I accidentally renounce, he's got 13. Yes, we're matching. 3 years, 92 mil is a lot of money, Shea. How much are you averaging again? 19. That was your best year of your career statistically. Come back, brother. We'll match that. Okay, so let's get the rest of our roster filled. We just been kind of bringing in mediocre point guards because we don't need the point guards because we have the best player in the league right now to back-to-back MVP over Luka, I might add, because y'all know Luka destroys these things where he wins tons and tons of not championships. Well, he gets championships too, but he gets tons and tons of MVPs. And well, not now. It's been our world. It's been our world, and we've been just. Rondo's probably 99 years old at this point. Welcome to the team. All right, so we're the most expensive team in the NBA, but I think that's okay considering we're a championship team. I'm curious about Anthony Davis, though. Very loyal. That's what he's saying right now. But stuff like that be changing, and if it changes, bro, I'm going to be upset. I'm a little afraid, bro. PJ said he won't resign, so we're going to trade PJ. Shake wants a lot of money for him. I'm a little afraid of Anthony Davis, man. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm a little bit afraid. He's got a no trade clause though. Yeah, he's got a no trade clause, so we can't trade him. We just gotta hope he takes that option. But PJ on the other end, we're gonna trade him now because he will get expensive, and we cannot afford to bring him when we already have these players. So since it's a 10-year challenge, we aren't gonna be able to keep all these players obviously because our boy Burton's gonna want a contract too. So like Jaylen Brown, good season, great defender. Plays his role perfectly, but there's a world where I have to trade him next season because he's on the last year of his deal. We're traded for Tyus Jones right now. This trade is going to make 100% sense in a second. So the Magic just gave Luka an extension, and on their want list was Tyus Jones. Obviously, this trade is not happening. But I'll throw you Jaylen Brown. You know what? Instead, I'll give you Shea. Shea is way more valuable. Right? I'll give you PJ Washington as well. You need to give us a player back. No problem. You give us back this guy. Oh, he's actually valuable to y'all. Hold on. You give us back this guy. We'll give you picks. Our picks are basically valueless because we just won 2 back-to-back championships. The Thunder pick. No, it's not there. It's not there. I tried it, y'all. I tried it. I knew it was a shot in the dark. I was actually very surprised that he wasn't considered untouchable. It was a huge shot in the dark to try to make the deal happen, and I failed, which is fine. You know what I'm saying? That just shows you the type of stuff that happens off camera usually. But I'll keep that one in because I think that was interesting. I think I was close too. I mean, maybe not. He's a 99 overall. But how do we save money on this roster? That's the point we're at right now because we're gonna have to save money on this roster somewhere. I need to get PJ Washington off the team, unfortunately. And somehow save money. So I'm going to trade him for Marcus Morris and Daniel House. Yes, it's 1-year rentals because both of these players are free agents. But I had to get the unhappy player out of the locker room because yeah, he was saying some bad stuff. He got 2 championships and now he think that he can lead a team. In reality, we know that he probably won't be able to. So we traded him away to Orlando. Did we just do a trade with Orlando? No, we didn't. Did we really? Dallas. I don't know. I don't know who we just did a trade with, but that's the only. I think that might be the only deal we do, and hope that Anthony Davis resigns because we gave him a no trade clause. It's part of the deal. We're bringing in Anthony Davis, is giving him a no trade clause, so hopefully he resigns or tells us way ahead of time that he won't. And then maybe he'll waive his no trade. I don't know. This time around, Steph Curry wins MVP. So shout out to him. William Floyd was Sixth Man of the Year. Now, this is not a real player, but his numbers are ridiculous. Oh, my God. That boy can hoop. Anthony Davis, Defensive Player of the Year again. And we won 65 games, which is the least amount of the last couple years. Ben Simmons, where are you at, bro? Okay, he was on the NBA second team this year, but he still put up good numbers. So shout out to him. Still ain't hit a single three. Not one. Not a single one. Anthony Davis didn't make an All-NBA team. Yusuf Nurkic, what type of numbers? Yusuf Nurkic, shout out to him. All right, let's try to win another championship, though. We are the 1 seed again. This time around, we're going to get Sacramento in the first round. I think that's what we did last season, too. So, yes, going against Denver in the second round, who have Damian Lillard. If we three-peat here, it's a 3-2 us. Okay. Minnesota, Steph Curry, MVP Steph. He's got 2 auto-generating dudes with Gallinari and Rudy Gobert. This looks like a really decent team. We're up 2-0, though. 3-1. And we get to the championship again to go against Philly this time around, who went all the way to Game 7 and destroyed the Hawks. Destroyed them. John Wall, James Harden, Sabonis is their big three, and PJ. PJ. We trade him away, and he still finds a way to be successful. If he beats us, I'm not going to hear the end of it. 2-1 us. 2-2 them. Oh, man. 2-2 tied, I mean. 3-2 us. PJ, you're not getting the best of us. And we get another championship. That's 3-peat. Ben Simmons gets his 3rd consecutive finals MVP. Beautiful, beautiful stuff there. Anthony Davis accepted. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. We get at least one more season of Anthony Davis, which is a beautiful sign because we need it. We need it. And then next season is going to be interesting. Free agency wise, of course, we will lose. Well, not saying we're going to lose him, but he will be up for a new contract. Jaylen Brown is up for a new contract. Our boy Burton is up for a contract, and he's going to probably want to bag the type of season he's having, what type of years he's having. Like last season, what type of numbers he put up? Let's see. He put up 16 points per game, which is good. 91 overall. It's going to be tough to figure out who do we... We're probably going to have to trade Jaylen Brown right now. This is what we're going to have to do. Anthony Davis said he'll resign. Anthony Davis is going to be on the team for the rest of his career. Okay. So next week, we have to trade Jaylen Brown. There's no way around it. Our boy Rob is going to want $30+ million. We can't do that. Jaylen Brown and a 1st-round pick. I'm going to trade him for DeAndre Hunter and Rick Monroe. Rick Monroe's a cheap option at power forward. I don't know what he's good at. He's never actually played a single minute of basketball. He can't shoot the 3, but he's great at the midi. Good rebounder, good post defender. Decent potential, and 27 years old already. I just needed to get cheaper. And that's a way for us to do that. It's still going to be really rough. We're probably going to have to pick between Shea and Rob. We'll cross that bridge later. All right, we're just going to go into this roster and hope we get back to the championship. We just need to make the playoffs. We have 3 championships out of our 6, which is great. Oh, that boy Ben. He's back on his thing, baby. All right, here are the rest of the awards. We won 71 games again. Anthony Davis, all defensive team as always. All NBA team, yes, sir. We're looking good, man. We're looking good. All right, first round, we're going against the Utah Jazz. If we can get 4 championships in 5 years, that'd be beautiful because the rest of the challenge is going to be sweet after that point. It happened so fast, I couldn't even stop it. Bobo, D'Angelo Russell. All right. No big deal. No big deal. We have 3 championships in 5 years. So we're halfway through the challenge, literally at the halfway point. We've already completed half of it. Giannis wins MVP. Okay. I'm not mad. LeBron finally retires. He still averaged 20 last season. Either way, I'm not mad about last season, man. We just won 3 in a row. I cannot complain and not being able to go. I don't know why I came here. I can't complain about not being able to hit 4. Okay, there's our guy here, Jaylen Brown. He is unrestricted. So we traded him away to Boston. And it looks like he's not going to resign with Boston. So it looks like we did a good job at trading him away because he probably wouldn't have resigned here. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's go past these 3 days. Prepare to... Nope, we're matching that, baby. Best believe we're matching. And he's back. Okay, but I cannot imagine... How much money do we have? Oh, Ben Simmons is up for a new contract too. What? Ben Simmons on the last year of his deal. But he said he'll resign. He said he'll resign. He said he'll resign. Can we just do that right now? All right, so this season we went 61 games. So that's the worst we've been since the first season. Ben Simmons continues to be Ben Simmons. That is his 4th MVP. Wow. 4th MVP for the guy, man. I cannot express how lucky we were to get him in the draft. Like, we didn't even have to trade for him. He was just there. Anthony Davis is not making an all-NBA team. Interesting. Is he starting to fall off? He might be starting to fall off. All right, so let's see what we do. First round, we're going against the Houston Rockets. Let's take a look at some numbers because I want to see if he actually fallen. He averaged 19 points per game, which is still good. Still good, but it's also like the worst he's ever averaged in his NBA career other than his rookie season. So maybe it's not very good. Burton is only averaging 15, but I tell you, bro, so many cooks in the kitchen. So I don't know if he'll ever average like 30, 20 plus points per game because this is not the role he has right now. You know, we may have to eventually get him to get to that role because we're going to have to reformulate this roster soon because we are way too expensive. Second round, we're going against Bam and Jamal Murray. Should be able to get out of this one. Let's try to get this championship, man. I need the championship this season. Going against the Spurs, who have Brandon Ingram, Mitchell Robinson, and Wendell Carter. But for some reason, Mitchell Robinson's at the 4 and not Wendell Carter, even though Mitchell Robinson's significantly taller. Does not matter. We're going against the Bulls, who have Giannis, I'm pretty sure. They had Giannis, but he went somewhere else. Wait, who's on this team? This team made it to the championship. 75 overall is your starting point guard. Ben Simmons is about to feast. Yeah, come on, bro. Ben Simmons is about to feast on them. 4 championships, 6 seasons. 4 championships, 6 seasons. Right, I was correct. Okay, beautiful. So we only got 4 more years, y'all. We only have 4 more years. We have 2 more championships to win, and this challenge is complete. Okay, season's wrapped again. All right, cut it out, Ben. Cut it out, Ben. You're just showing out for no reason at this point. 71 again. It's getting to the point where it's kind of redundant, boys. Like, this is why we don't do these super long challenges, bro. It's the same every single season. What type of season Anthony have? 17 points per game. Burden put up 20. All right. 23 for Shea. Like, why would I? You are probably like, man, can he make trades? Make trades. There's no reason to. We have the perfect roster right now. Bro, look, I don't even care who we're going to get. Hold on. Oh, my God. Whoa. Y'all not doing this, are y'all? Y'all not about to eliminate a brother when he was talking about how good his team is? So y'all gonna do that, huh? Huh. All right, I guess I'll shut up. We ain't as good as I thought we were. Okay, well, that's an L. That's an L. Either way, but you get what I'm saying? League history. Where's champions? Hold on. Let me count how many championships we have and stuff, because I keep forgetting. 4 championships in 6 seasons. No, 7 seasons. So we need to win 2 championships out of the next 3 to finish this challenge. Oh, the pressure's kind of on. Wait, am my math right? Yeah, my math is right. Is it? Either way, somebody tell me in the comment section if it's not, because y'all always do. I think we have to win 2 championships in the next 3 years. Tremont Waters is a 90 overall right now. Think about that. And Tremont is my guy. I really like Tremont Waters. But they have him as a 90 overall right now. This is why we don't do these long simulations. I'm trading for Mo Bamba. And what we're going to do is make Burton a small forward. His overall goes down. Make Anthony Davis back to a power forward. So now we're going to run a lineup of Ben, Shea, Burton, AD, and Mo Bamba off the bench. We still have Bruno Fernando, who's been here since the beginning of this rebuild. So he's got as many rings as us, the whole team. He's got his 4. Shake has basically been here the whole time. This guy just got here. So this is the roster we're going for this season. Did I bring that coach back? I don't even know. Okay, our coach is still here. Okay. All right, so now with Burton at small forward, he averaged 20 last season, so he's even better offensively than he was. Pick and popper Hall of Fame, catch and shoot, goal, deep phase. This guy's a beast, and defensively, he's got some decent badges too. So, all right, we need 2 championships in the last 3 years. All right, Luka won MVP. This is the first MVP of like the video for him, right? Let me go to his award. The system in this game sucks. First MVP, yes. All right. Most improved, Clint Mayo. Hold on. Where did Clint come from? He went from 19 to 27 points per game. Shout out to Clint. So 35 wins this season. Ben Simmons made a second team. I was going to say, if he didn't make it at all, wow, that is saying something about this season. We are the 1 seed for the 1,000th year in a row. Here's the statistics. My boy Rob jumped up to 23 points per game, 50, 40, almost 90 clubs. Shea 24 again. He's still getting better. Ben Simmons put up basically the same numbers as last season, just 1 rebound less. Still has not hit a single three-pointer in his NBA career. Not one. That's fine, though. First round, we're going against Utah. Utah has Ja. It's not going to be enough, though. Cato Swanigan was an 88 overall there, too. You thought I ain't see that? I saw that. Here's Tremont Waters and his team. But the problem is, the way 2K does it, when it comes to player progression, yes, Tremont Waters is a 90 overall. But his tendencies, let me show you something. Let me put you on some game of why 2K is still not a very good game. His tendencies have him doing stuff like this. He's a 90 overall, but he only averaged 11. I mean, he had 11 assists, which is great, 2 steals. But like, you know what I'm saying? He'll never get to the point where he's averaging great numbers because they got his shot tendency, and that doesn't go bigger when his overall gets bigger. That's a problem. That's a problem. We're going against OKC. DeAndre Ayton and Zion, 7th seed, 2-1 us. We're in a championship to go against Kyrie back in Boston, but he's got Jokic with him and a bunch of generator guys. Game 1, win. Game 2, win. If we go up 3-0, it's GG's. We did not go 3-0. 2-1 us. 2-2. 3-2. Come on, one more game. One more game. 3-3. No. This is not what we came here for, team. We need to win this all, baby. They don't know the stakes that is involved in this game right here. We need this one. Are we blowing them out? They come back a little bit. We blew them out. We blew them out. All right. I am 1 championship away. I am 1 championship away from finalizing this challenge. And it's over. I won't even go year number 10. If I could get this next championship, I will not go year number 2. I've been here for way too long recording this video. And like I said, I know y'all love the long videos and I love y'all for loving them. But bruh, when it's 3 o'clock in the morning and you've been recording since 1 o'clock or even before, I don't actually remember when 12:43. 12:43 is when I started recording. Mathematically, that's when I started to record. And it's just like, bruh. A brother can only have so much energy. Look at all these players. And this is probably the last year. So you know what I'm going to do? Shake. Oh my God. That boy Shake won a lot of money. Sure. No, I'd rather give it to... Actually, yeah, Shake. Shake's our best bench player. So get that to Shake. It's so crazy that we were able to keep this team. It's so crazy we were able to keep all these players together just because we have the rights to players. We have been the most expensive team in the history of basketball. And it's not even close. It's not even close. We have been the most expensive team in the history of basketball. We have 2 players making over 40 million, 35, 38, 27, and then a bunch of 14s, 12s. I don't even know how we were able to do it, but we were. Ben Simmons has won 6 MVP awards, 5 championships, 10-time All-Star. First ballot. You know what I'm saying? By far. I mean, obviously, we win that many MVPs, first ballot for sure. But like, bro, all time. Like, he needs to be in the conversation of the GOAT if he have some years like this. And I know that sounds crazy, but anybody that's winning 6 championships needs to be in the conversation. All right. And we about to add another championship here to end this video. Please do. Please do. Please, please. All right. So we got the first round. Sacramento's next. Thank you. OKC, we've already beat you 1,000 times. Kyrie, thank you. Ben Simmons has to be in the record book, bro. 6 championships, 6 MVPs, if I'm not mistaken. 6 championships, 6 MVPs, 6 finals MVPs, because he's won finals MVP every time. 10 All-Stars, and he probably still has like 8 years left of his career. Crazy. I did it. I did it, though. I did it. League history. Let's just double check before I end the video, because that would suck if, so wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 championships, 9 years. 1 to spare. If you enjoyed the video, leave it a like, man. If you got to this point, you obviously had to enjoy it. So leave in the comment section, Ben Simmons the GOAT, and I'll know you watched the whole video. Thank y'all so much. Peace.